Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will share the overview of audio translator AI based project. Here, we will upload a audio file and select which language we want to translate, and we will get a translated text. This is the objective of our audio translator project. Before we starting the overview, I will play the two video that I have created to test our project. First one is English language. Many thanks to Bappi Bhai, under whose guidance the journey into generative AI has started. I hope it's clear now. And the second video is recorded by Bangla language. অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ বাপ্পি ভাইকে, যার হাত ধরে জেনারেটিভ এআই এর পথে চলা শুরু হয়েছে। Okay, now I will upload the video. First I upload the video. This is English and I want to convert in Bangla. It's take a few minutes. We should wait for the response. Yes, this video has been recorded in English language and I prefer to translate in Bangla, and our AI project has successfully converted to the Bangla language. Now I again upload the Bangla recorded video and I tell it convert to English language. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, good. It now converted to the English language. This video I will create, and I am using Next.js as a frontend, and backend I am using Flask. Thank you so much.